Hey folks, I just wanted to check in with you and see that you're all doing well and kind of introduce you to this modeling software. Couple of housekeeping things. Please make sure that if you are in need of a Chromebook to do your work, that you pick one up from the school. Let your neighbors and friends know as well. Also, you all should have responded to your Monday Flex teacher. They had sent you an email, so check into that. And the school is continuing with the school lunch program. If you need a lunch, I don't even think that they're taking the little PIN numbers right now, so please make sure you take advantage of that lunch program. Check out the district website for distribution sites. Also, food pantries, information about that is on the district website as well. Reach out to your classmates, let the word out that those things are available and that if students need a Chromebook, that they should get those. We're going to start our attendance, I think, through Google Classroom shortly, probably the beginning of next week. So if you want to earn credit, you want to make sure that you check in each day. I'm going to take just a few minutes and go through this particular modeling software right here. If you go to the menu, you can go back to the original part and go through some of the introduction. What we're going to work on today is kind of just putting in the boundaries and variables. There are other lessons on making connections, giving weight and influence to it, and then the simulating and testing. I think if you make it all the way down to the introducing to modeling and putting it all together, there's actually an epidemic simulation that you could work on as well. But again, I'm going to kind of focus on this piece right here just so you can kind of get familiar. And we'll start right there where it says begin activity. So just go ahead and click on begin activity. And what this does is it tells you the instructions on this particular page. When I go ahead and open up the activity, it brings me to the software. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. It takes the software just a second or two to kind of load, so give it a second. Once it loads, it'll give you some information. However, I may not remember what to do once I get to this page, so I need to toggle back and forth between the instructions right here and the software I'm working on. I will tell you that one of the first things you should do is go over here where it says titles. Click on this title part and put the two driving questions directly on the screen. If you go to the instructions again, it says we're sorting these components under the area of the appropriate driving question. So again, one of the driving questions is how can I get better grades in school? The other one is will increased rainfall bring a farmer more income? So does this piece of corn right here go under school or does it go under farmer? Does the pencil go under farmer or does it go under school? So what I'm going to do is just kind of sort these things from one side to another in order to kind of figure out, well, where do these actually go, which side? Once you complete this activity, you want to go back to the original instruction screen and you can go down to next activity. In the next activity, they give you another set of instructions here.